Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making vegetable fried rice with sausages. So when we are making the stir-fried rice, we want to make sure that all your ingredients are cut and ready to go before you begin the cooking process. Because once you start cooking, it goes very quickly and there's no time to pause and chop. And the idea is the ingredients are put in stages. So everything finishes cooking at the same time. So you start with the more dense vegetables since they take longer to cook, and cut them into smaller pieces. For the sausages, I'll be using the German sausages, but you can use the normal sausages, and also you can use smoky. For this type of sausage, it's easy to remove the paper-like coating, but if you're using any other type of sausage, you'll have to boil for at least 4 to 5 minutes so that you can be able to remove. But if you're using smoky, it's also easy as the German sausages. For the ingredients, I'm going to be using light soy sauce, cumin, turmeric, mixed peppers, sausage, peas and carrots, yellow corn, rice, and some salt for seasoning. We start off with our sausages. We shallow fry them until they are golden brown and crispy, and then we remove them from the pot and set them aside. In a pan, put 3 tablespoons of oil and then fry in some minced garlic. After that, we are adding the other ingredients in stages and making sure we start with the dense vegetables first, since they will take longer to cook. The various vegetables are cut so that they can cook all together at the same time and cook as shown on the video. Start with your peas and carrots. Then add the yellow corn. Stir for about 2 minutes. Add your onions. Cook this for about 7 minutes and then add in your spices. That is your cumin, turmeric, and some salt. After adding in your spices, add in your mixed bell peppers and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes. Stir often until the vegetables are crispy tender, about 4 minutes. Then add in your sausages, then your boiled rice, and sprinkle some light soy sauce. You can also switch up the vegetables depending on what you have around and what your family likes. And you can also add some protein, maybe some leftover pork, beef, or chicken. And this recipe really works well for leftover rice if you want to give it to spice it up a little bit and give it more flavor. after a few minutes, our rice is nicely done. Make sure to try this at home and also to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye until the next one.